Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In our Spain series, we've now reached the beautiful city of Valencia. Previously, we explored Seville, its lively streets and unforgettable vibes. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out. And now, in this video, we're continuing our journey here in Valencia, diving into Valencia's hidden corners, uncovering spots most people miss. So stay with me till the end. Now we're starting our tour with our first stop, Playa de Pinedo, a calm and less crowded beach where you can really slow down, enjoy the fresh sea breeze, and take in the peaceful coastal views away from the busy city. And now our next stop takes us to the stunning Valencia Cathedral, right in the heart of the city, where history, architecture, and timeless beauty all come together. Built on a former mosque after the Christian reconquest, the cathedral reflects centuries of change, blending Romanesque roots with Gothic and Baroque additions shaped over time. Valencia Cathedral remains an active place of worship and a key landmark, known for its mix of styles and deep cultural and religious significance. Valencia Cathedral, officially known as the Metropolitan Cathedral Basilica of the Assumption of Our Lady, was consecrated in 1238 and is one of the city's key landmarks, known for its mix of Gothic, Romanesque, Baroque, and Renaissance styles. And next is Turia Garden, a long green park built on an old riverbed, once the Turia River, now transformed into a lush space filled with gardens. Come on, let's go inside and see how it looks. stop is La Malvarrosa Beach, a lively beach where the city meets the sea, full of energy, music, and people enjoying the vibe. La Malvarrosa Beach is Valencia's principal urban beach, stretching along the Mediterranean coast to the north of the city center. With golden sand, calm waters, and a lively promenade, it is a focal point for leisure, gastronomy, and culture, beloved by locals and visitors alike. Now it's food time. Let's find the best street food in Valencia. Now it's time to explore the nightlife of Valencia, where the streets come alive with music, lights, and an electric vibe all around.